మన ఇద్దరితో ఉంటామా దాంట్లో 4-5 పేరు వచ్చినారు. అదేమో చెప్పి విని
Hello, ma'am. Hello. Are you getting my voice? Are you all getting my voice? Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. And video is visible to you all? Yeah, ma'am. Okay. Let some people are also joining, then we will start the class. Pranay, don't make noise. I am giving class, so please don't make noise, okay? Pranay, please don't make noise. Pranay.
ఆ రూమ్ లో ఉళ్ళంతా ఉన్నది మరి తెచ్చవా ఉళ్ళు సుజాక్ అంతా రూమ్ లో ఉంది తెచ్చవా ఆ రూమ్ లో నూళ్ళంతా రూమ్ లో నూళ్ళు ఉన్నది సుజాక్ అంతా తెచ్చవా
Keep it here बेटा कोई भी सामान नहीं लेना बॉल लेके जा रहा हूँ अपनी आपकी बॉल वहां पर बहुत सारी है मुझे एक बार डेमो देना होगा ठीक है उसके बाद
Okay. Pencil कहाँ रखा है? तेरी pencil कहाँ रखा है?
You want to ask something?
Ma'am, please can you ask everybody to mute themselves?
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
so much noise.
Please mute yourself. All the participants, please mute yourself.
Am I audible to everyone?
Am I audible to everyone?
Ma'am.
Okay. Everybody has done. Cut.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Tell me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Width should be, can the width be less than 4 or 5 centimeter? Can it be 3 centimeter? The width.
Yeah, width is not less than 2 centimeter. It should be 3 centimeter or more than that. But you have to take the length 14 or more than that. Actually, if you take the length less than 14 or 13, then the size of the doll will depend on the length. That's why I'm just focusing on the length. It doesn't matter how much you are taking the width.
Okay.
Please
Thank you,
switch
ma'am.
on the video, please. I'm requesting you all, please switch on your video. And please mute yourself. If you want to ask anything, you just unmute yourself and then ask. Otherwise, please unmute. Otherwise, please mute. Okay, everybody has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Cut the length in 14.5 centimeter and width is 4 centimeter or 5 centimeter, whatever it is. Okay. Now take the bowl. Take the bowl of your choice. I hope everybody has done. Now take the bowl and make the rounds like this.
Ma'am, how many times we have to roll?
If you want a thick doll, please let me know how many of you are comfortable with English. I can explain in Hindi also.
English, ma'am. English.
Okay.
English will be better.
Okay.
English will be better. I don't know Hindi.
Okay. Okay. I will explain in both the languages, Hindi and English as well. आपको ये वूल इतने राउंड्स में लेना है जितनी थिक आपको डॉल चाहिए. Okay. If you want more thickness of the doll, you can take more rounds. Do like this. Close the door.
Ma'am, approximately what is the number of rounds?
It's 30 to 40 rounds you can take.
Ma'am, I don't have a scissor to cut the wool.
You don't have scissors? Anybody beside you who can cut the wool? Your mother or anybody else?
Approximately how many rounds?
It's around 30 to 40 rounds you can take. It's around 30 to 40 rounds on the wool you can
The
take.
entire cartridge. ma'am.
Then you can take paper and cut it like this.
Ma'am,
You can make doll of wool and paper as well. Everybody has done 30 to 40 rounds.
Query?
Ma'am,
I
then we
have-
have to cut it.
Yeah, rounds have been completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have to cut the wool. Cut the end of the wool. I hope everybody has done. If you have any query, and you can raise the hand. So shall I proceed further?
How to cut the wool, ma'am? Can you explain?
Yeah. This much you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have to cut the wool like this. See, I'm cutting the wool like this.
ma'am, what to do with the end?
Cut the end.
Ma'am, end.
Leave it like
Yes,
that.
ma'am, this end is
Okay, okay. Leave it as it is. You just cut the wool.
okay.
Use the scissor and cut the wool like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we proceed further?
How do we pin now?
I know much about.
Raising hand. Nikita ma'am, are you having any query? Do you want to ask something?
Yes, ma'am. I wanted to ask, do we have to just pull this one over the other, or we have to cover the cardboard while doing the 30-40 rounds?
One over the other.
One over the other, ma'am.
All right.
Okay. And you will get the wool like this. Okay. Show me on the screen. Yeah.
Ma'am, can you see my?
Yeah. Good. Good. Very good. I request you all, please switch on your video. Yeah, fine. Okay. An important announcement. This session is only for 40 minutes. So I have to continue this session for the next rest minutes. Then you have to click again on the same link so that you can continue with the same. Okay. Got it? You have to click the link again.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
Okay. Now keep it aside. अब आप इसको साइड पर रख दीजिए. ये जो हमने वूल कट किया हुआ है इसे आप साइड में रखिए. Now take another cardboard.
Ma'am, what is the measurement?
Yeah, I'm telling you. See, I'm showing you the 3 measurements. Okay. If you want to make long hair doll, then you have to take the length like this. If you want to make the short hair of the doll, then you have to take the small cardboard. This we are taking only to make the hair. Okay, ये जो हम कार्डबोर्ड ले रहे हैं ये हेयर बनाने के लिए हम ले रहे हैं. अगर आप शॉर्ट हेयर बनाना चाहते हो तो छोटा कार्डबोर्ड, और अगर आप लॉन्ग हेयर बनाना चाहते हो, this totally depends on you that which length you want. Okay, you have to take long cardboard to make the hair, so I'm telling you this length. Okay, okay, so cut it 9 centimeter length.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, I can't understand Hindi, ma'am, but you're talking in Hindi.
No, I'm also explaining in English. If you are not understanding Hindi, then I'm explaining in English. Take another piece of cardboard and cut it into 9 centimeter.
And ma'am, width,
Take the length
width is
9
not
centimeter and width 4 centimeter.
Couldn't hear it properly.
Are you getting my voice?
Wait. Madam, please inform.
The width, ma'am.
Width should be 4 centimeter and length should be 9 centimeter. Cut the cardboard again. Length is of 9 centimeter and width is of 4 centimeter. This cardboard is used to make the hair of the doll. I hope everybody has done.
I'm doing.
Okay.
And what should we do, ma'am?
You have to cut a cardboard again that is of length is of 9 centimeter and width is of 4 centimeter. You have to cut the cardboard again. You have to make the hair by using this cardboard. Okay?
Hair like this.
Here. All here. Okay, now take black wool. I'm taking black color. Okay, but if you want to make hair of any color, you can take any color of your choice. Okay, I'm taking black color to make the hair of doll. Okay.
I don't have black, but I have brown.
Yeah, any color you can take. Because doll is just a thing in which we can take any color. You can take the maroon, black, brown, any color you can take. Okay, I'm taking black color. Now repeat the process as I have done previously. Repeat the process again. Take the 20 to 30 rounds of black wool.
Can you repeat how many rounds?
Yeah, 20 to 30. For hair, it is sufficient. Everybody has done? Repeat the same process. Cut the wool like this.
Ma'am, same 30 rounds?
Yeah, you can take. Cut the wool. I've got this much of length. Okay. Everybody, please show me
मैम आपकी वॉइस बहुत हल्की आ रही है.
Now, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then.
The same way you have to cut, ma'am.
Yeah, same way we have to cut. Same way. We have removed the footing. Abhi meeting. Okay, now we are proceeding further. See what I am showing you. This is red wool and this is hair. Okay, this is for body and this is for hair. Okay, now what you have to do is, see, I'm showing
Ma'am, your
you.
voice is not clearly audible. It is breaking in between.
Is it breaking? Ek minute.
Yes, ma'am, your video is also breaking.
Okay, I'm taking the headphone now. See, this is the dog family.
Ma'am, couldn't hear you properly. Not at all audible.
Am I audible to you?
Yes.
No, ma'am, you are not audible.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
I can't hear you.
Ma'am, you are audible.
Ma'am, can you please tell me your name? To whom I am not audible?
Nikita.
Nikita, ma'am. Ma'am, firstly, please switch on your video. And please check that the mobile or laptop which you are using, its volume is full. Please.
I have checked that, ma'am. Let me do one thing. I'll just leave the meeting and I'll join again.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, I have did it.
Okay, now shall we proceed further? It is getting.
We should keep this aside.
Sorry. No.
We should keep this aside.
I am showing you what we have to do with this.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
What we have to do is keep the body part on the table or on the surface. Keep it like this. Okay. And keep the hair part like in plus position. You have to make the plus position. In the middle. You have to keep the hair part in the middle of the body part. This is the body part and this is the hair part. So you have to keep it in the middle. Make a plus. Got it? Okay. Now what we have to do is take the one part and take another part, join it like this. Keep it like this. Everybody is getting? Okay. Now do like this.
Ma'am, it is not visible.
Is it visible to you?
Yes. Now it is.
Yeah, good. Very nice. Very good. Okay. Now take the hair part in your left hand. Hair part in your left hand and leave the body part like this. Now you have to tie a knot over black part, like this hair part. You have to tie a knot.
Now with another piece of wool.
Yeah, same color.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
It's black color, right?
Yeah. Take 2-3 rounds of the wool and make it sure it is tight. Make a tight knot. Yeah. See, a ponytail is seen. Everybody has done? Are you able to see the ponytail?
எப்படி டைப் பண்ணாங்க அது
Sorry. Anybody wants to ask something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me what happened.
Ma'am,
ma'am is it okay
Show me. Show me. Bring it little close. Bring it little close. Yeah. Is it fine? Very good. Yeah, this is fine. Good. Very nice. Yeah.
okay, ma'am.
I hope everybody has done. Now do the same. Cut this wool. Now do the same with the body part. Red one. We have to tie a knot.
Ma'am, you have to cut the hair part.
No, 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 no. We don't have to cut the hair part. We just have to tie a knot. This knot. Okay. We have to just tie a
The
knot.
same color, of the same color
Yeah. Take the same color to
as
tie the knot.
we did with the hair.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
What
Okay,
did you
ma'am.
cut? You cut
ma'am
something.
where we need to tie in the
I-
middle or where
We have to tie the knot just after the black color, like this. This we
Okay.
gonna make hair. This we gonna make face.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Got it?
Yes.
Now tie
Okay.
a knot over it.
Okay, just below that hair.
Yeah, yeah. Just below the hair, you have to tie a knot so that a face is visible.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, can you repeat it once again?
Yeah, I can repeat. See, firstly we have to make, this is the body part, and just we have make a plus by this hair part, and then we just tied a knot over it. Okay. After that we have to just make red part like this, stretch a little, and then tie a knot just below the black color. Tie a knot so that it will look like a face of the doll. See, is it looking like a face? This is hair and this is face.
Ma'am, with the red color, right?
Yeah, tie the knot with the red color.
Ma'am,
The piece idea. Yeah.
I hope everybody has done. Okay,
correct, ma'am.
show me.
Ma'am, my face is small.
It's okay. It will be a small doll. It is fine.
Is this okay, ma'am?
Yeah,
Okay,
this
ma'am.
is fine. Show me your doll. Mishti Kela. Yes, just bring it close. Little more. Yeah,
Is it okay,
this
ma'am?
is fine. Fine. Very good. Very good.
Is it okay, ma'am?
Yeah, this is
Is
fine.
this okay?
Yeah, this is good. I
Is
show.
it
Yeah,
okay?
this is good. Yeah, this is fine. Pooja Shri, very good.
Ma'am, is this okay?
Show me your name,
Ma'am,
please.
is it okay?
Okay, எல்லாரோடதையும் okay, okay.
Yeah, this is fine. Aishwarya, yeah, this is fine, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
can we
I
cut the
hope-
extensions of
No, 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 no. You don't have to cut anything. No, no, no. I'm telling you, wait, everybody has done, then we will proceed further. Okay?
Ma'am, can you just see mine? Can you just see mine?
Okay.
Ma'am, can you just check mine once, Nikita?
Nikita, wait. Show me
Could
your
you
doll.
please tell the dimensions for the body and the hair part again, please? I
Yeah.
joined late.
Okay, I'm telling you the dimensions again. Vanshika, I think you have joined late, so please listen carefully the dimensions. Vanshika,
Yeah.
okay, I'm telling you the dimensions again. For the body part, you have to take the dimensions 14 or 14.5 length and 5 width. Okay,
Okay.
length
5
should be
centimeters.
14. Yeah, length should be 14 or 14.5 centimeter, and width should be 3 to 4 centimeter.
5
It should be.
centimeters.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, this is for body part. And if you are making hair, then you can make hair. If you want to make long hair or short hair, this totally depends upon you. If you are making long hair, then take the dimensions
Okay.
9 centimeter length, 4 centimeter width. And if you want to make the short hair, you just reduce the length. And this hair is for boy puppet, boy yarn doll. Long hair is for girl yarn doll. Okay.
Can you tell again the dimensions of the shorter hair?
Shorter hair, the dimensions are 9 centimeter length and 4 centimeter width.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Okay. I think everybody has done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have to cut the dimensions for hand. Take another piece of cardboard. Length should be 13 centimeter and width should be 3 centimeter. Take another piece of cardboard and the length should be 13 centimeter and width should be 3 centimeter. Everybody is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is dimension for hands.
Yeah, we are making hands now. Hair are ready, face is ready. Now we have to make hands of the doll. Take the cardboard of length 13 centimeter and width 3 centimeter. Please switch on your video. I am requesting you all so that I can see your work.
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Yeah, you can. I'm waiting for you. You just come, then I will start. The length, we are making hands, so we have to take the dimensions for hands are 13 centimeter length and 3 centimeter width. Okay, now take another color wool, or you can take the same wool. Like if I'm taking the red wool for the hands, it will not be visible for you, it will not be clear for you, so I'm taking another color for hands. Okay, I'm taking green color. I'm taking green color for hands. Okay, I'm taking green color for hands. Take the wool.
Hey, you didn't see color.
Sorry. I'm taking green color for hands, okay? Take the wool. Again, repeat the same process. 20 to 30 rounds. Take the wool. Repeat the same process as we have done earlier.
Ma'am, 20 rounds are enough?
Yeah, 20 or 25 you can take. Because in hands, we will make braided style hands. Okay.
Okay.
Now cut the wool. Again, repeat the process, same process. Cut the wool like this.
Ma'am, 20 times we should do it.
Yeah, this is sufficient. Once you know the technique, then you can make it by yourself. How much thickness you need to make the hand, how much thickness it needs to make the hair. Okay.
Number of rounds for body should be same 20 to 25.
No, it should be more than hands, because the hands and body, if we are taking the same rounds, then it should not look nice. It will not look nice. So we have to take less rounds for hands and more rounds for body. If you are taking 30 to 35
So for body,
We have to make it twice.
for body,
We have to
yes,
make
you
it
can
twice.
yes, you can take twice or less than that. If you are taking 30 to 35 rounds for body, then you can take 20 or 25 rounds for hands.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are proceeding further. Take the doll. Okay. And divide this wool, body. Divide this wool into equal parts. You all remember we have, see, divide the wool into equal parts like this. As we have done with the hair, same we have to done with the hand part. Divide the red wool into equal parts like this. Okay. Now what we have to do is, we just have to place the doll over the hand part. See, this is your hand part and this is your doll. Make a plus like this. Make a plus like this. Put the doll over the green part. No.
ma'am, middle of the green part, right?
Yes, middle of the green part.
And we have to place the half portion of the doll since we divided the doll into two portions.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Yes, I can repeat. See, we have to just divide the doll into equal parts. See, we have to divide this doll into equal parts. Half portion is this and half portion is this. And you have to keep the doll on the green part like this. Okay?
From the center?
Yeah, from the center. Make a plus, again make a plus, green part and red part, make a plus. Okay. Now take the green part in your hand like this.
Ma'am, it is not visible.
Yeah, I'm showing you. Take the green part in your hand like this. Okay. Is it visible to all? what I am doing?
No, ma'am, just put the camera a little more above. Yeah.
See,
Ma'am, what should we do? I was putting the hands.
yes. See, Danu, I am showing you make a plus, again make a plus like what you have done earlier with the hair and the body part. You have to do the same with this. Yes, you are doing great. Yes, put it on the, yeah. Keep it on the center. Yes, very good. Now take the black part with the doll. Yeah, take both parts in your hand. See what I am doing. Doll is just swinging over the green ball. See? Yeah, very good, very good, very good. Okay, now take the body part like this and make a knot like this. See. You have to tie a knot just below the green part. See. Now you have to tie a knot just below the green part. This. You have to tie a knot here. Anybody wants to ask?
Ma'am, below the hands.
Yeah, below the hands. You have to tie a knot below the hands.
Ma'am, can you
Okay,
please
ma'am.
repeat it?
Ma'am, with the color of the body.
Yes, you have to use the same color of the body to tie a knot. Okay? See, I'm doing. If anybody wants to ask, then please ask, then I will tie a knot.
Ma'am, can you please repeat it?
Yeah, I can repeat.
The tying portion.
Sorry?
The tying portion alone.
Okay. How to
True,
tie a
ma'am.
knot? You want to know how to tie a knot over the wool?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm showing you. Up till this, all have done. All of you have done this?
No, I'm asking where the hand part. How to tie that hand part. Now you have
Okay,
tied.
okay. I'm showing you again. So, see, this is your hand part. Okay, you have to keep it like
Yeah.
this. I'm showing you. You have to keep it like this on the table.
Yeah.
Okay, now divide the doll body in two equal parts. See,
Okay.
divide the doll body in two equal parts and keep it on the green part like this. You have to keep the doll in at the center and you have to do like
Okay.
this.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now,
I have a doubt.
yeah,
Nikita this side.
yeah, tell me.
I just wanted to know, when are we making knots? There are few extension of the knots. Can we cut that?
Yeah, it is
The
actually a
extensions
finishing.
of the knots.
Yeah, it is actually the finishing part. When our doll has been made, then we can cut the extra part of the wool.
All right. Because I am getting confused because of
No,
that,
no, no,
because
no.
I'm not having colorful wools.
Do
I'm
not.
not having colorful wools, so I am
Okay,
using
okay.
only white color.
Yeah, no problem, ma'am. No problem. Okay.
Ma'am, can you remind Mishti?
Yeah, Mishti, tell me what happened. Yeah, your doll
Ma'am,
is
is it
looking
okay?
nice. Yeah, very good, very good. Your doll is
Thank
looking
you,
so
ma'am.
nice. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay, then now we are proceeding further. Now we have to tie a knot just below the hand part over the red color. With the same color wool, we have to tie the knot over the body. Okay. I'm tying knot like this. This is my doll. I'm inverted it. Now it will be easy to tie a knot. Okay. I'm just keep it invert and now tying a knot over the body. It will be easy to tie a knot like this. Okay.
Ma'am, I have done it. Can you see it, Nikita?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Tell me. Show me. Bring it.
I have done it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Little.
I'm
Bring
doing
it
it.
close. Little.
Yeah, I'm holding the hair.
Yeah. Very good. Yeah, it is looking nice. Very good. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. See. See the doll.
Hello, Mummy. Mommy. Hello, Mummy.
Yes. Don't make noise. Complete your work. See. Now what we have to do is we have to make braids with these hands. We have to make braids. I hope everybody know how to make braids. I'm showing you.
No, ma'am. My
Okay.
mother will make.
I'm showing you. You have to divide the wool in 3 equal parts. Yes, very good. You have to divide the wool in 3 equal parts. See. Are you able to see the 3 equal parts of the hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have to make braid. You can take the help. If you are children, then you can take the help of your mother to make the braid.
After we have to
Can it
tie.
come one hair, one braid or two braids you're making for a doll?
Actually, 2 hands are there. Then we have to make the 2 braid. One for this hand and one for this hand. One braid for this hand and one braid for this hand. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to tie it at the end.
Yes, you will have to tie it at the end.
Now we have to tie it with another wool.
You can take
Same.
the other. No, you can take the other color wool or you can tie it with the same wool. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
See, the
Okay.
braid is ready. Now we have to tie a knot. I'm tying it with the same color.
Now, Heta.
Now we have to do it for both of the hands.
Yes, we have to do with the both hands.
Okay, ma'am.
See, we can make this doll with the help of jute rope or nylon socks. I will show you how to make the doll with the nylon socks.
Ma'am, are you doing a recording on this? Can we get a recording after
Yes,
this?
yes. You all will get the recording. You all will get the recording. I'm recording the video also.
I have a class at 5.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, done. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, I will send you the video. Make the another braid. Divide the another hand in 3 equal parts. Make a braid of it and tie the knot at the end of the hand. This we are making a lady doll. Okay. After that, if you want to make a boy doll, then we can put a ball inside the body part, then it will look like a tummy. It will look like a big tummy. See, my doll, both hands are ready. Tie a knot at the end. After that, we will just do the finishing part. See, doll will look like this. Give me the comb. I hope everybody has done. Take a
No,
thick
ma'am, I'm
comb.
making the braid.
Okay, just do it. I'm showing you. You have to comb the body like this, so the wool get straight. Okay. Sorry.
Is this okay, Mishti Kela?
Yes, Mishti, your doll is looking so nice. Very good, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wow. Everybody has made such a nice doll. Very good. See, from the socks, we can make doll like this. This is a socks doll. This is a yarn doll and this is a socks doll. From the socks, we can make doll like this.
Ma'am, can you have tutorial of the same?
No. I'm not having the tutorial, but I can teach you.
Okay. This is, ma'am, simple basic cotton socks.
No, these are nylon socks.
Okay.
Nylon socks we are using for this doll. Okay, I hope everybody has done. So now we shall proceed further. Very nice. Red-yellow combination is looking very nice. Very nice, ma'am. Shelja, ma'am, your doll is also looking very nice. Aishu, ma'am. Yes, very nice. Da, ma'am, your doll is also looking nice. Show me the hands. Bring it little close, little up. Very good, ma'am. Nice. Comb the hair of the doll like this. Comb the body with the comb. See, I have made a doll with the jute rope. This is a doll made up of jute rope. See. This is a doll made up of jute rope.
This is the same procedure, ma'am.
Yeah, same procedure you can do with the jute rope. This
Can you just send these pictures in the group so that we have for reference in case we make?
Yeah, I can send you the picture of this doll also, and the doll family also I will send. And I'm giving you a tip, like if you are making so many dolls with the jute rope, now you can join one doll with another doll like this, jute rope. Then you can make the toran. All you know what is toran?
Yes. Door.
Yes, ma'am.
You can make toran of these dolls. Sorry?
We have to join using hands. How we will join two dolls?
You can join hands like this. Thread and needle, you can use thread and needle to join the hands. Okay. Take 5 to 6 dolls. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Okay. If you join 4 to 5 dolls with the hands like this, you can make the toran, and you can decorate the doll by using lace like this. I'm showing you with the lace like this. You can decorate the doll by using the lace. See. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me show you this. Let me complete this. Okay, then I'll show you this also. Okay. Okay, now do the finishing part with this doll. What we have to do is cut the wool, extra wool. Like this hand is having this much of wool. Now we have to cut the wool.
Ma'am, please increase the volume and put in here.
Ma'am, we have to cut the wool from where we have tied it.
No. Don't cut the wool from the knot. You have to cut the extra wool, only little wool. See, I'm showing you.
At the end.
Yes, at the end, only the this unequal part. We have to make the even. You have to cut it like this. See, is it looking nice after cutting the extra part? Is it looking nice? Okay, same. Repeat the process with another hand. Cut the extra wool. See, now both hands are looking nice. Okay, if you want to cut the hair, you can cut, or if you want to leave the hair like this, you can leave.
Ma'am, please increase the voice.
Are you getting my voice?
Yeah.
Okay. See, you can keep the hair like this. Okay. Now do the finishing part with the body also. See, the wool is looking unequal. Okay. We have to place it on the table. We have to keep it like this. Okay. Then cut it like, make a slight U. You can see. Please mute yourself. It is creating disturbance to all. See, this is looking U. Slightly U-shaped you have to cut. Everybody has done? See, my doll is looking like this. Okay. Now, everybody is having bindi at home. See these bindi? We have to make the eyes of the dolls now. Okay.
Ma'am, it could be any color.
Yeah, it could be any color. You can take the black color for the eyes, and maroon is also okay for the eyes. You can take the black color for the eyes and red for the mouth. Okay, we have to cut the circular bindi in half so that it will look like the mouth. Cut the bindi into equal parts so that it will look like a mouth. Let me show you. See, take the bindi and cut it in two equal parts so that it will work for the mouth. See. See the mouth and eyes. Everybody
it is
has
not
done.
visible.
Is it visible to you?
Yeah, it is visible now.
Okay. Everybody has done? I hope everybody has done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, show me your doll on the screen. Yes, Madhumati ma'am, your doll is looking so
I
nice.
have not cut the eyes into half because the bindi is small.
Okay, Binti is too small. Okay, keep it like this.
Yes.
You
Okay,
can,
ma'am.
yes, you can paste the bindi.
Should I show?
Yeah, show me. Yes, very nice. Very nice. Very good. Superb. Very good. Okay, now I'm showing you the decoration part. Okay, now you can decorate the doll like this. If you want to,
अभी वो लेट सोए थे ना इसलिए चलो आप जाओ बेटा चाची भी सोएंगी हाँ
Ma'am, please be nice.
yes, show me.
जी कह रही है ना बेटा अभी वो सो रहे हैं ना जब उठेंगे तब आपको बुलाएंगे
Very nice.
Ma'am, please be nice.
Tell me your name, please.
Ma'am, Gauri Maheshwari.
Gauri Maheshwari. Wow, very nice. Very nice. Very
Thank you, ma'am.
okay then. Now see the decoration part of the doll. You can decorate the doll by using laces. I am having so many laces. I am showing you. See, these are the laces, the small laces we are having in our home. So we can use these laces to decorate our dolls. See.
Ma'am, if you don't have laces.
If you don't have lace, then you can keep the doll like this. It will look nice. But if you are having laces, then you can decorate the doll by using these laces. Okay? I'm showing you. You can decorate the doll by keep the lace like this. See, is it looking nice?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you are making toran, then if you will decorate the doll and then make the toran, then it will look more beautiful. Decorative dolls in the toran will shine from the door and it will look nice. Okay. Now you can use this white color lace. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, over here, after the mouth, you have stick on the lace.
Yes, on the neck part.
Okay.
Okay, this is the neck part and this is the stomach part. I'm using this white lace for the stomach part and golden lace for the neck part. See, I have made this doll also. You can do like this also. This totally up to you. See, I have made this doll little small and this one is little bigger than this one. Okay, now you can make jute rope. You can use jute rope to make the doll. I have used a short hair for this doll. Okay, now you can make the toran. You can use sparkles to decorate the dolls. Okay, believe me, if you are making toran of these jute dolls, it will look nice, superb. I'll make toran and will post it in the group because it is in processing. I'm making toran of it and then I will post it in the group.
With this yarn doll also we can make toran?
Yes, you can also make toran with the yarn. And see, I'm showing you how can you use the ball. If you have to make a boy, this is a girl. If you want to make a boy, then you can use ball to make the tummy. Okay, see. I'm showing you my doll family. Everybody have a look. Please look at the screen. See. Are you able to see the doll family?
Yes.
Okay, I'm showing you this one. Okay. See. Repeat the same process to make the doll. Yes, class is just going to over. I'm giving you some idea. Danu, you have to attend another class. I'm just giving you the idea how to make more and more dolls. So just have a look. This is for the boy doll. Like we have made a doll like this. If you keep the ball,
bottom you have to tie it, right?
yes, we have to keep the ball in the bottom part. We don't have to tie a knot here. We just have to keep the ball and cover it with the wool, this body part. See. It will become a tummy. See. And you have to tie a knot just below the ball. You have
Ma'am,
to
we
tie a
can
knot.
also use this as skirt, right? For a lady girl.
Yeah, we can use, very good. We can use it as a skirt for the lady girl. And if you are not tying a knot here, you can use this ball as a tummy for the boy.
Okay.
Okay. And see, I have made a hat. I have made a head and 2 braids I have made with the hair. See, I have made 2 braids with the hair, and this is a hat cap, we can say, over the head. So it
How
will,
did you make the hat?
I'm showing you. See, you can make the hat like this. Give me a paper. Take a rectangular paper. Okay. Fold it like this. Turn it like this. And you will get a shape like this. Take a rectangular paper, make a round, and you will get the shape like this. Okay. And I'm
Ma'am,
showing
how
you.
to assemble the cap? How to assemble the cap in the body? Once we have made the hat, how we will assemble it in the body or the face part?
You just stick it with a Fevicol, or you can use needle or thread to stick in over the head. You can use anything.
How did you stick the wool on it?
Sorry?
Ma'am, how did you stick the wool on the cap hat?
Yes, you can stick. You can use Fevicol to stick the cap over the head. You can use Fevicol for it. Okay. Now I have
was asking, how did you stick the wool on the hat?
This wool. Okay,
Yes,
this wool
ma'am.
you are asking. You have to just cut a small. You know what? I have told you about the hair. Take a small rectangle for making the hair. This. You just take the 12 to 13 rounds of the wool and cut it like we have done earlier. Cut it like this, and then tie a knot only at the one end. Okay, tie the knot only at the one end and leave the other hand like this and place it over the cap, so it will look like this.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
For this, we need a longer, more than, we have taken 14.5. So this must be nearly 20 something, right? The length.
Yeah, this is totally up to you. If you want to make a long, big doll, you can take length according to it. It's totally up to you. Okay, I'm showing you some more dolls.
Can you teach how to make the dolls with the help of socks?
This time it can't be possible for me.
Yes, make it another session.
Yeah, I can tell you. This socks doll is it will look so nice. We can keep it on the showcase. It will look so nice after making this socks doll.
We would be looking forward to another session also, ma'am. It was really interesting. Thank you.
Thank you so much. See,
The socks one you take a session, ma'am. One more session on that.
Yeah, I can take the session, but the next session is of envelope making. On 8th, I'm taking the class is of envelope making. See, envelopes that we that we can use for the marriage purposes, and we have to keep the money, and we need envelopes. Then we only use the waste material which we already have at home. Like this is a marriage card. Okay, I'm having this marriage card, and I have made an envelope only by using this card, because we are having so many cards in our home, so we can make envelope by using this marriage cards. Only by using waste material you can make envelopes in your home. So I'm conducting class that is on 8th, that is of envelope making. And in envelope making, I will show you how to use the ceramic cones. If you want to do the ceramic work, then you can do like this. Ceramic work. This envelope is only made up of waste material. See, I'm showing you these envelopes. These envelopes are made by me. These totally made up of waste materials. I have made these envelopes by using waste materials. See, one more envelope I want to show you. This is an envelope. See, this is an envelope. You can keep the money inside.
Very nice, ma'am.
If you want to gift, you can give it.
I need to change
Please mute yourself. If you want to ask, then only you can unmute. Okay, now I'm showing you some more dolls. These are the baby dolls.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am?
Yes, tell
Show
me.
me your piece. I want to tie a lace in that.
Tell me again, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, I have a lace.
Okay. Yeah.
Shall I use this?
Yes, you can use this. Very nice, ma'am. Tie this lace.
I just want to know where I need to tie that.
Ma'am, you can tie this lace like this. Take the lace in your hand. Keep it like this.
Okay.
And put it on the neck of the doll.
Okay.
Like this. And you can use needle and
thread. Okay, fine, ma'am.
Okay, and you can use needle and thread to tie the lace.
Okay. And I'll just paste it, right?
No, lace actually not Fevicol is not working in the case of laces. So you can use needle and thread to tie the lace. You can use needle.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And I'm showing you some baby dolls I have made. See, this is a baby doll I have made. In this doll, I didn't make the braid. I have done like this. You can make the baby dolls like this.
Same. It is yarn doll. Is it yarn doll?
Yes, it is also a yarn doll. It is also a yarn doll. You can do the same process with the doll. Only the thing is you can make a small changes, and you can use your creativity to create your dolls.
It looks nice, ma'am.
This is a baby doll, and see,
You have made a dress, ma'am, below the baby doll.
Sorry?
You have made a dress below that white baby doll.
Yeah.
White,
this one you are asking?
The baby doll.
Baby doll, it is pink in color, light pink.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Can you send the pics in the group?
Yeah, I will send the pics
The
of
very
all the
nice.
dolls. I will send the pics of all the
Ma'am,
dolls. See,
in baby doll, you cut it at the bottom, right?
I have taken length, it should be 5 to 6 centimeter in length. If you want to make a baby doll, then you have to take the length 5 to 6 centimeter. Then you can make the baby doll like this. See, 2 baby dolls I have made. This dress I have made with the use of broad lace. See, I have made this baby doll. Another baby doll which I have used multicolor braided hands. I will post the pictures in the group, and if you want to ask anything you can just ask, so that I will end the session. And anybody, if you all are interested for the envelope making class, then let me know that I am going to conduct on 8th July envelope making class.
But keep a session for the socks also.
Yeah, I will definitely keep the session for the sock stall.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the long session.
Yeah.
Weird.
Tell me your name, ma'am.
Pravija.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Anybody wants
मैम
to ask?
8 जुलाई के सेशन के लिए आप लिंक वगैरह का भेजेंगे?
मैम कौन सी लिंक
Ma'am,
के लिए आप
happy
पूछ रहे हैं?
Purnima.
हैप्पी गुरु पूर्णिमा।
मतलब सॉरी, इंफॉर्मेशन आप ग्रुप में देंगी?
हाँ हाँ,
Happy Guru Purnima.
हैप्पी गुरु पूर्णिमा मैम,
Okay.
प्रविज्या मैम, हैप्पी गुरु पूर्णिमा। मैम मैं जो भी क्लास अब कंडक्ट करूंगी मैं उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन ग्रुप में दूंगी. इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड देन प्लीज ज्वाइन. इट विल बी अ नाइस
Sure,
सेशन.
sure, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
You can use the waste material which is
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
you know crochet?
yeah, I know.
You can have workshops in that also. Ma'am.
Not now ma'am, but we'll definitely conduct the class later.
Okay, fine.
Okay ma'am. Okay, anybody wants to ask something or shall I leave the session now?
Ma'am, enjoyed the session a lot.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Can you please show all your dolls on the screen so that I can click your picture? Please show your doll on the screen.
Ma'am, when are you?
Please everyone show your doll. Please everyone show your doll. Wow, it is looking nice. Pujashree, your doll is looking so nice. You have made such a great doll by using the lace. Very good. Very nice, Shelja ma'am. Very nice. Mishti, your doll is looking so nice. Aishwarya ma'am, your doll is also very good. Gauri ma'am, very good. I'm so happy you have taken the interest and I'm so happy. Okay. So shall I end the session now?
Okay,
Ma'am, when are you going
okay,
to?
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Anybody wants to ask something? I'm getting the voice.
Ma'am, when are you going to send the video?
In the evening, after 6 o'clock, I will send.
Okay.
Okay. Okay then. Bye bye. Please send your feedback. Please send your feedback in the group. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am.
अब बोलो मेरे को ये क्या है उसका